Hi friends, welcome to 2020. Can you believe it? It's a whole new century. This is my 10th year running Persnickety Prints and it never gets old. The beginning of every year I get so excited about how I'm going to document and tell the story. Our family story, a travel story, any story. I love stories. My question for you today is, how are you telling your story? The things that you remember, the important times. Everyone has a different perspective and a different reality. I'm learning this more and more as my children grow older and seem to remember things that I don't. How do you control your narrative and tell the story that you want to leave behind? That's my question for you today. And if it's not your story, your children's story. If you're a young mother like I once was, photos and baby's firsts and all those things are so important. It builds confidence in a child. It helps them remember happy times, and it really builds security in them. There's plenty of statistics that show this. Each new year, I try to come up with a plan on how I'm going to document our family story. I don't know about you, but I want my photos and my memories to last, which is why I am passionate about silver halide photographic printing. This is what we specialize in at Persnickety Prints. A real darkroom photograph. No ink, you can't get this at home. We have special machines that convert your digital file into a digital negative and process it like film. These type of prints are water resistant, they resist fading, scratching, they don't fade over time. They've been around for hundreds of years. There are so many reasons why I prefer a silver halide photographic print, a real photograph, over a bound photo book or any at-home print or any other medium. Now, really the only drawback with silver halide printing is that they can't be printed double-sided. So we are left with, what do I do with my photograph? Well, that's where the albums come in. And this year I have decided to try a new company that I've never used before. So here's my plan for 2020. Once you create a plan at the beginning of the year, it's so easy to keep up with documenting your story. I have chosen to use, for my family album, this 9x13, it's so pretty, white leather Webster's Pages album. And it is, I believe it's like a 9x13 total, but inside it's 6x12. And so many of you are probably familiar with these pages. So it includes 100, I'll have to look and see if it's 100 prints or 100 pockets of 4x6 and 3x4. And I've already started printing my first month of January here. And for my travel albums, I've chosen this little beauty from Webster's Pages. I say velour, somebody told me what it was, but look, it's like super thick, it's so soft and yummy. And you open it up and it's the same concept inside. We have 4x6 pockets, and then we can add the 3x4s, and then of course add as we go what we need. So I'm gonna use this for travel. Some cute accessories that they have, this little travel often little pouch. These are fun, I'm excited. Because they use this binding system, you can add all kinds of different things in here, and I'm excited to use these little cards, and you can write on them and make little notes and like put them inside of each of the albums. Like, the concept's awesome. I'm really like, where have I been? Has this been around for a while? I don't think so. I know that this company's been creating these albums for years, but I think this pocket system is fairly new. Okay, back to my family album. So, plan is, I am going to, I created an album on my phone and one on my desktop for my DSLR photos. And as I go through the year, I drop in the pictures that I want to print into those albums. And at the end of every month, I just print the pictures that I want to add. And so it's really easy in my mind. I know the format that we're using here and exactly what I'm doing. Now look at how cute this is. I just opened up. These are the things I'm going to use. Look at how easy. That's all I have. And it's so simple. No glue involved or scissors. They have these album starters, and this one is travel, and it comes with these super cute stickers. Everything is gold foil, which I love. and cards, obviously to go to the pockets. And then this is new. This is really cool. So I thought this was just like a pocket card. And I went to go put it right here in my first page. And then I'm like, wait, and look at how neat. You open this up and it's like a memory book. I thought this was just a memory book card, but no, it's a memory book where you can actually write memories. And you guys that know me, I love handwritten things because yeah, I can type things all day long, but it means a lot more when it's handwritten. And I am the worst journaler. I'm the worst. So this is something that I can just pull out, keep in my purse, take with me, jot things down, and then drop it in there. Oh, genius, genius. So I'm gonna be adding those throughout the months. And also in that travel album, how great is it to, oh, we have some cool places I'm taking the kids this year. How great is it to just stick that little memory book inside, but take it with you as you travel and jot down all the information and then just throw it in your album after. So great. Some little other add-ons that you can get with these albums. So I have some extra inserts, so you can do straight up 3x4s, 6x12, and then 4x6s, 3 up in here. The cutest birthday, another little memory book. I guess it's not birthday, it's called Celebrate, and it's an album starter. Again, it has the stickers, 4x6s and 3x4 cards. Oh, so many cute things. I don't want to take all your time, so I'm gonna go fast. I always use these pockets in my albums because with kids' art and tickets and any type of memorabilia that you want to keep, it's super easy to just stick it in there and you just have everything right here. This is the way I document. It's so much easier to do it monthly instead of at the end of every year, and I don't forget. And it's like instant gratification. So I don't want to wait till the end of the year for a big book to be printed. I have to do it monthly, and it keeps me going. So I hope this helps you guys be inspired. It's totally personal, up to you, how you like to document, but do it. There's so many reasons why it's important to print your pictures. And I always share those on my Instagram account, Facebook. Subscribe here on our YouTube channel so that you can be notified when I add my next video, which will be hopefully a few months in, and I'll show you what I've done so far on the album. Okay, thanks so much. Have a great day.